Hey everyone, now that our Power BI is configured, let's dive right into bringing in some real data and creating our first visual. To start, go ahead and open a blank report. You will see a quick access button right on the main canvas called Excel workbook, or you can click on Get Data. And if you select mode, it will show you a list of connectors from different data sources. Everything from simple text files or Excel databases to cloud services like Azure or Microsoft Fabric. For this session, we are going to work with simple Excel spreadsheet. Select Excel workbook and hit connect and locate your Excel dataset. Once you select the file and click on open, the navigator menu will pop up on your screen. This window let you preview or select sheets you want to import. Go ahead and select your main tables. At the bottom, you will see two main choices. One is load, another is transform data. So load pulls data straight into your working model as it is, and transform data launches the Power Query editor which allow you to clean, transform your data before loading them. We will be diving deep into data transformation in a dedicated video data. So for now, let's just click on a load to bring data into our RBI report. Once the data loads, take a look at your right side panel. You will see all loaded table listed here. And by expanding it, it will show individual data fields. If you look at your date field, you will see a small arrow next to it that expand into date hierarchy, breaking down your date automatically into year, quarter, month, and days. If the date hierarchy is not created in your file, then there might be one setting that is not configured correctly. To enable date hierarchy, head over to File, Options and Settings, then Options. Under the Global Data Load, make sure Auto Date Time option is ticked. Now let's build a chart. Grab a stack column chart either from your right side visual panel or directly from your home ribbon. An empty chart will appear on your canvas. Now you can easily drag it, or you want to change its position, click on the three dots and move it wherever you like on the canvas. Now to populate it, drag your numerical fields like amount on your y-axis and drag your date field into your x-axis. Because you are using a date hierarchy, Power BI gives you some interactive controls right on the top of the chart. Look at the small navigation arrow near the visual, drill up, next level hierarchy, and expand all. So for drill up and drill down, if you activate the single down arrow, it will break years into quarters. For next level hierarchy, if you turn drill mode off and click on the double arrow button, it will collapse all year together to show overall seasonality. And the last expand all, the fork shape arrow expand everything simultaneously and display year quarter or year quarter month side by side along the horizontal axis. Now take a look at the navigation icon on the left of your screen. Power BI offers four primary workspace views. The first is report view. So the report view is the main canvas where your report design take place. The second is a table view. Some people also called it as a data view. It is a spreadsheet like layout to inspect your raw data and filters value without altering the main report. And the third one is model view. It is an architectural overview showing how different tables are connected via relationship. And the fourth one is a DEX query view. It is a dedicated workspace where you can write and test custom DEX analytic functions. And if you want to customize how your chart looks, you can double click directly on any chart element to bring down the contextual format menu. From here, you can alter the column colors, edit the title directly on the canvas, or adjust access labels. You can also use a small action button on the top right corner of your selected visual to toggle visual elements on and off, such as data labels or zoom sliders for easier reading. Lastly, let's make sure we save our work. Go to File, click on Save As, browse your preferred local folder or OneDrive folder and name your file and click Save. And that completes our walkthrough. of importing data, building dynamic visuals, and exploring the Power BI workspace. Now try building your first fail, and if you hit any roadblock while navigating the views or the date hierarchies, drop your questions into comments below. Thank you for watching this video.